Hi, my name is Pat Newcomb, Director of BenchMark Research at Fuse. I wanted to share with you one of the key findings from our recently released Product Management and Development Benchmark study. One of the goals of this study was to analyze how product teams structure their staff, so we ended up grouping firms into three main structures. The first is a dedicated approach, where each team member has products for which they are specifically responsible for. The second one is more of a generalist approach, which is when very few team members have specific ongoing product assignments. And then the final approach is really a hybrid between the two, where some team members have specific product assignments while others work more flexibly or by function. Slightly more than half of all managers surveyed give each team member responsibility for specific products, which is represented by the blue bar in the chart. A third of managers use the hybrid approach, which is shown by the red bar, and then the remaining 16% of firms have very few team members with specific ongoing product assignments and work on whatever is most important at the time. When we factor in firm size, the largest firms were most likely to have some or all of their team members with specific product assignments. While there's been a slight shift from previous reports to the generalist model, the majority of firms are still utilizing this dedicated approach. One of the main benefits of having team members with specific product assignments is that it allows product managers to have deep product knowledge within a specific asset class. As these organizations take on more complex product types, product teams are more likely to move away from the generalist approach. Generalists really need to have broader industry knowledge across various asset classes and product types, which has its benefits because it allows product leaders the flexibility to adjust their capacity according to a given business need at the time. The optimal model clearly varies from firm to firm and is highly dependent on the size of the product line and the complexity of the investment strategies. A generalist model allows more flexibility within the product group and can be especially useful within smaller organizations. By implementing a hybrid approach between having dedicated or generalist roles, firms can actually use junior product team members as generalists and maybe structure senior staff to cover specific products as a dedicated function. This key finding is just one piece of our organizational structure and staffing chapter in the product benchmark study. We also cover new product development processes, product rationalization, compensation, time allocation, liquid alternatives, as well as many other subjects. Thanks for taking the time to join us today. Once again, I'm Pat Newcomb with Fuse Research. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.